here is the terrace that we have been building, and now I start to plant out here some things. I have here 1, 2, 3 kale plants and a bamboo. The bamboo will spread very good and its roots will hold the soil very well. And now I was digging to plant out those things, and as you can see, it is super soft soil, so that will be very easy to plant out those plants. Before planting it, first loosen up the roots so that they can start to spread again easily in the soil. When I picked up the straw, I noticed that there is some mycelium on the straw, which is only good. So I'll first take a part of mycelium, put it around the plant, and then cover it with some straw without any on it, so that the mycelium is protected, as this will be very beneficial to the garden. It will spread the nutrition from one tree or plant to another. So everything has been covered with a layer of straw. Best would be hay, of course, and 10 centimeters thick, but I didn't have so much now available, so it's always better than nothing. And with mulch, it's always better to stack a lot together and make a higher layer than to just like spread it all around, because the advantage now of the mulch is that it will keep the roots nice warm, and the moisture also stays constant. So here I've selected some flowering bulbs. These ones, they flower very early, like in March to April. So these will be planted on the backside of this Cornelian cherry. These ones, they fruit a bit late, they flower a bit later in the season, and so they will be placed in the front of the tree on the sunny side. And I will dig them in with my hori hori, a very interesting Japanese gardening tool, and this one can really slice into the soil. It tells me until which depth it is. I press the hole open and I plant my bulb inside. That was it. The advantage of planting the bulbs around this tree is that it will not only be a beautiful sight once it's flowering, but it will also suppress the growth of grasses around the base of the tree. So this whole circle around the tree I will plant full with these bulbs, and yeah, that will have good advantages. Everything has been planted out, and yeah, now it's just time to wait. It's normally it would be outside of the planting season as it's January, but these plants were anyway standing in pots outside. I figured that in the soil they will have a better life. In the winter there's still the time that the roots are spreading, so every extra time it has, it's only better.